Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Riot account and making sure you can log in. Once logged out, close Valorant and the Riot client, then run the Riot client as administrator to avoid permission blocks. You do this because the client reads region options at startup. If your IP says one region, the client might lock to it. Once done, note your current ping. That gives you a baseline to confirm the new server reduced or increased latency. Now choose the target server. If the client shows a region or globe dropdown on the login screen, select the desired region and sign in. That tells the game to match you there. If the client forces your original region, use a reputable VPN set to the target country and reconnect. Make sure to test ping before launching. After switching region or enabling VPN, restart the Riot client so it reevaluates your location. This step often forces the server change. Finally, launch Valorant and immediately check your in-game ping and the region shown in the top corner. Play a quick unranked match to confirm matchmaking region. If ping is unexpectedly high, make sure to disable or switch the VPN server. VPNs can route poorly and cause worse latency. If you cannot change regions, flush DNS, clear the Riot/Valorant cache, restart your router, and only then contact Riot support. That troubleshooting order saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.